Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to show you a tool that will allow you to apply the measure command on multiple objects. Now, if you go to the CADPower menu under Build, you have Measure Multiple Objects. You can type it from the command line also by typing cp_measuremany, or you can access it from the ribbon as well by going to the Draw Build option here and clicking on this here, by which you can get the multiple measure objects command. So I click this, select entities. So I'm going to select all of this. Now here you can see I have a variety of objects: lines, arcs, splines, polylines, ellipse, and so on. Enter or pick segment length. So this is the distance for measure, so I'm going to take it as 10. Enter block name to place or dot for none, so I'm just going to type a dot here. Place points or blocks at start and ends of curves also, so you can choose either yes or no. So you can see that now the multiple measure command has been applied on all these different objects, and points have been created exactly at a distance of 10 units from each other. So this is identical to using the measure command, except that you have two options. One is that you can do it on multiple objects. Two, you can also additionally create a point at the start and end of each curve, which you cannot do with the standard measure command. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and find this command useful. Do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.